Hello guys, today we will be talking about how to create your own custom GPTs in the chat GPT interface. So this is something like, this is the chat GPT interface, and if you go to here in explore GPTs, you will find a tab called my GPTs. Once you logged in with your account, then only you will be able to find it. So in my GPT, you can create a custom GPTs. I have created chapter-wise PDF book summarizer that basically gives me the PDF book summaries, uh, chapter-wise book summaries, as well as the whole summary. So let's dive deeper into that and how to create a custom GPT. Let's say I want to replicate that chapter-wise PDF book summarizer again. So let's create a custom GPTs and let's name it PDF wise book summarizer and give it a description. And this chat GPT, this chat GPT will create a PDF book summary, and here you can specify what instruction you want to give. So I wanted it to give provide detailed summaries of book uploaded from uploaded PDF file, and I will give some instruction. So these instructions should be something like this: provide detailed chapter by chapter summaries of books from uploaded PDF file. It will offer thorough summary of each chapter, integrating key points, insights, and specific examples from the text. The summaries will be more comprehensive, including longer explanation of main ideas and actions that the author suggests for readers. Each chapter summary will include important vocabulary words and conclude with a clear, actionable call to action as recommended by the author. Additionally, it will answer any follow-up question related to each chapter with precise evidence-based responses drawn directly from content of the chapter. The tone will remain conversational to ensure summaries are engaged and easy to understand. So this is the instruction which I have given. You can customize these instructions, and you can include the capabilities also, like web search, DALI image generation, code interpreter, and data analysis is not required because this is not code something which I want to write. So I'll just put summarize the particular chapter, summarize the book chapter wise as given in the instructions. So I wanted to only give 2, so let's just create it. And it is I'm just sharing it only with me, so I'm just saving it. So if you can see here, it has given me the 2 instruction set, and it has given also the link for the chat GPT, which I can copy and just close it. And you can also upload an image for this. You can call it you can upload a photo for this chat GPT PDF wise book summarizer. You can also change the name of it, uh, and also you can generate the image using DALI. So let's say you want to generate image using DALI. So let's generate the image using DALI. So it has generated a nice book image for me, and I just say update. Now let's go to GPT, and let's say I want to, I have already attached my Google account with this. So properly, let's say Ikigai I want to select, and then I will say summarize the chapter 1 of the book. So it is giving me the key themes and insights. You can see this key things and insights, and the 80% rule, Maui vocabulary, and call to action. The chapter encourages reader to start exploring their own ikigai by asking reflective questions about what brings them joy and satisfaction for those who haven't yet identified their ikigai. It suggests experimenting with new activities, fostering social connection, staying active and engaged in regardless of age. So you can see this chapter wise book summarizer is already available here, and you can see it has also added some give me a detailed summary of chapter 3, chapter 4. Can you summarize chapter 1 including this specific example and things like that. So this is what I wanted to touch about how you can create your own custom GPTs, and please do like, share and subscribe this video if you find it useful. I will be covering more custom GPTs and on chat GPT hacks in this next series of videos. Thank you very much.